The role of soil in the Tower of Babel myth. Welcome to Blueprint to Reality, the channel where we connect engineering principles with history, myths, and mysteries. Today, we'll explore the intriguing Tower of Babel myth and its ties to soil and engineering. Could the earth beneath have played a role in this legendary story? Let's dig in, literally and figuratively. The Tower of Babel, a brief overview. The Tower of Babel is a biblical story from the book of Genesis. It describes humanity's attempt to build a tower tall enough to reach the heavens. According to the myth, their efforts were thwarted when God confused their language, scattering them across the earth. While the tale is steeped in symbolism, the engineering challenges it implies, including soil conditions, are fascinating to analyze. The Mesopotamian setting. The Tower of Babel is often associated with Mesopotamia, a region between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. This area, known as the cradle of civilization, was characterized by fertile but unstable soils. The alluvial plains were composed of silt, clay, and sand deposited by rivers. While great for agriculture, these soils posed significant challenges for large structures due to low load-bearing capacity and susceptibility to settlement. Material choices, and their dependence on soil. In the myth, the builders used bricks and bitumen to construct the tower. These materials were logical choices given the region's lack of stone. However, the reliance on clay bricks would have required careful consideration of soil conditions. Without a stable foundation, the immense weight of the tower could have caused differential settlement or even collapse, a plausible explanation for why such a grand structure might have failed. Geotechnical challenges in tall structures. Building a tall tower on clayey soil, as implied in the Babel myth, introduces numerous geotechnical challenges. Clay is prone to shrink-swell behavior due to moisture changes, leading to instability. Additionally, the lack of modern foundation techniques like deep pilings or ground improvement would have left the structure vulnerable to tilting or sinking under its own weight. Symbolism and soil in ancient myths. The role of soil in the Tower of Babel myth could symbolize humanity's struggle against natural limitations. In many ancient cultures, the earth was seen as both a provider and a constraint. The story might reflect an awareness of the challenges of building large structures in a region where the soil was both a blessing for farming and a curse for construction. Modern engineering insights. Today, geotechnical engineering provides solutions to the challenges implied in the Tower of Babel myth. Techniques like soil stabilization, deep foundation systems, and advanced surveying ensure that even the tallest skyscrapers can stand on challenging soils. The myth serves as a reminder of the critical role soil plays in construction, both in ancient and modern contexts. The Tower of Babel as an engineering metaphor. Beyond its religious and cultural significance, the Tower of Babel can be viewed as a metaphor for the importance of understanding our environment. Building without regard for the soil or natural forces often leads to failure, whether in myth or reality. The story underscores the need for humility and respect when designing ambitious projects. Lessons for modern engineers. The Tower of Babel myth challenges modern engineers to consider the interplay between ambition and practicality. Soil remains a crucial factor in construction, and advancements in geotechnical science allow us to push boundaries while ensuring safety. By respecting the ground beneath us, we can achieve feats that ancient builders could only dream of. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the Tower of Babel and the role of soil in its story. If you enjoyed this exploration of myths through an engineering lens, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Together, we turn every blueprint, even mythical ones, into reality. See you in the next video.